Alright, we're going to cut it in half lengthways. Alright, we're going to pull off the top right here. Pull off the top. Cut a diagonal line right here at the bottom to cut off the bottom. Yep. And then red peppers like to go inside, so you just make small strips like this. Alright, put it to the side. I don't flip it. Stretch it out. 1, 2, 3. And the width of these is going to be how fine your dice is. So if you want a really fine dice, make them smaller. If it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. If you want them bigger, make them bigger. Alright. So you got a nice pile of strips. I'm going to do a little bit at a time. So you can do them all at the same time if you want, but start the dice. And nice and clean. All the way. Finished. Next group. And dice. Keep your fingertips out of the way. All the way, all the way. Nice fine dice. There we go. Clean up. And that's how you dice a red pepper. There we go. Nature Cake out.